Happy New Year! A very happy New Year to you all. Today I'm going to present you with a new recipe, and that is going to be little twist. Outside it will be like smooth texture, but inside there will be a surprise with a crunchy. So I am making today is a laddus, that is chow chow laddu. And you might be thinking, what chow chow laddu, how it will be? But believe me, it's going to be very awesome when you present this to your guest, and they will be very surprised.
No sweet lovers can resist these laddus. And the one I am bringing to you today are not only healthy, delicious, tasty, but it's little twist inside with crunchy. So let's start making of these laddus. For this we have to take 4 cups of chow chow, that is a vegetable, and you will easily find it in a vegetable vendor. So cut that into pieces and we have to steam this. So if you have a steamer, use that, or else you can do like this also. Take a vessel, pour some water, and put strainer. So on that you can put the vegetables. So cover that for about 15 to 20 minutes, and in between you can check the softness. You should not bake full. It should be like soft enough to grind and to chew. That much is enough.
It's been 15 minutes now.
I guess it's softened. See, it's perfect. I guess you can check with a finger. See, very nice, right? Yeah, it's cooked. Now it's perfect. Switch off the flame and let it cool. Okay, then now we will keep this in a side. Later we can use it.
I have taken here 5 cardamoms. Peel this and grind this and keep it ready.
And the next thing is we have to roast the sunflower seeds. I have taken here 1 cup. So we have to dry roast this. Don't burn it, and do it in a low flame. Now it's done. So switch off the flame and transfer this to a plate. So next thing is the dry dates. Here I have taken 1 cup of dry dates. Remove the seeds and we have to roast this. But roasting is not like you have to burn it. I'm just warming this. Now it's done. Switch off the flame and transfer this to a plate, and we have to grind this when it is lukewarm temperature. So till that what we can do is we can dry roast this gund, like edible gum we say. As you must have guessed, the most important and the secret ingredient of this recipe is gund or edible gum. They look like nice, pretty color stones, right? Let's dry roast this. I'm not going to add any ghee or oil to roast this. So just dry roast. It's enough, and keep in mind that you have to do it in a low flame. If you do it in a high flame, what it happens is it will pop up, but inside it will be raw in the center. Take your time. You have to do stirring continuously because it might burn. It's done, and take it out in a plate. Can you see this now? How it has puffed, right? So this is very crunchy. You can hear the voice, right? It's very crunchy, and this is the secret ingredient. We will put this inside the laddus, and they will feel like surprising inside. What outside it will be smooth and inside it will be crunchy. So crunchy texture will give you this one. Okay, what happened? Mine is like I have prepared all the laddus, and I have put this gund in the center, and I tasted, and it was very good and awesome. After a while, after 1 2 hours, what happened is the gund will absorb all the moisture of the laddu, and it will become smooth. So I will give you an idea that get ready with all the laddus before itself, and while serving time 2 to 3 minutes earlier you can put this gund inside. Okay, this is the idea. Okay, now we will move on to the grinding process. We have kept all the things ready. First we will grind the dry dates, and after dry dates we have to grind this sunflower seeds. See, I have kept aside already grinded dry dates. Now we are going to grind the sunflower seeds. So sunflower seeds also I have grinded into smooth powder. See, this is the texture, and we will take this out in a bowl. We have to grind this separately because it won't grind properly if we mix together. So now I have taken here half a cup of dry coconut sliced. It's a half cup. You can go ahead and take a shredded coconut also. Now I have grinded this into coarse. Now no need to remove this in a bowl. We will add all remaining ingredient to this same jar. That is elaichi powder. We have already grinded it, and sunflower seed powder, and dates powder. And for this we will add a little bit of salt, sea salt. I have taken here half of the quarter teaspoon. Now I am going to add jaggery powder 3 tablespoon. I have added here. I use less sweet, so you can add 4 to 5 according to your sweetness, 4 to 5 tablespoons. So now I am going to grind this properly. So after grinding it will be like this. See, it's done, and we will take this out in a bowl. And meanwhile what we have to do is we have to grind the other one, the main ingredient, that is chow chow. In Kannada we say sime badnekai, and we have to grind this because it has a lot of water content, so we have to strain this. So see, grinding is done, and what we can do is take a muslin cloth, or you can use strainer also. Just strain it, and what all remaining pulp will be there, we are going to use that pulp, not the water. You can use it as a vegetable broth, or for soup, or for drinking. You can drink like that, it will be very tasty. So even you can use it for any other dish. Okay, and the pulp is ready, I guess. See, we have squeezed water. See, the remaining pulp will be like this much I got. For 4 cups I got only this much. And this will be, even this is also very smooth. So we have already got the powder, the dates and sunflower seeds powder, right? So we will add slowly how much we required. So now I have taken this in a bowl, and slowly you add that dry powder to this and mix. How much you require, that much powder you can add. See, it requires more, so I am going to use all of them powder. Mix this properly. So now it's done, and I tasted it. It was perfect, very nice. And the sweetness, I have told you, if you want you can add some more jaggery powder. Now let's start making laddus. I am so excited to make these laddus because I am going to present these laddus to my teachers. So see, I have taken some amount of laddu base, and make a hole and fill that gund inside and cover this up. So okay, and then roll it on sesame seeds. Here I have taken roasted sesame seeds. You can roll on anything, couscous or coconut, dry coconut. You can roll on any of other ingredient if you wish. So I have taken here sesame seeds. Just roll it. I have made these laddus in a small bite, means small size, because they should consume this laddu full.
hole itself. So I have made this small one so that they can keep all full laddu inside their mouth. So then outside it will be smooth, and when they chew it, it will be crunchy. You have to prepare these laddus in a small size. I have made all the laddus in the same size, just filling inside the crunchy thing, gund, and rolling, coating with a sesame seed, roasted sesame seeds. See how perfect it is, how delicious, super easy. It was easy, right? And no need to do many things. I have added only little things, and within a time we can make this. It won't take much time. So it's done. Yummy, tastier, healthier, vegan laddus. It's here, done, and it's perfect. The taste is awesome. You have to try this chocho laddu and let me know in the comment how it turned out.
And for this new year, I had been to school and I presented this sweets laddu to my teachers, and they too all became happy, and they all greet me.
This is my school, which I have studied here, and these are my teachers. Most of the teachers are left, but only few teachers are there. And I wish them and I greet them for a new year, and I presented them the laddus, and they all liked it very much, and they were happy to see me also. And me also, I was very excited and I was very happy, and I remember all those student life, right? And it was very fun, and we enjoyed that moment and the time. And I distributed other faculty also. They too liked it very much, and they were asking some more laddus because it was very good. And even I was very happy and satisfied that what I have created, the laddus, was came out good. And I was so happy to see all the students, and I enjoyed it a lot. It was memorable.
Namaste. See you in the next video.